Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by updating iOS and confirming battery health because outdated software or failing batteries often cause random shutdowns. First, tap Settings and install any updates. This fixes known bugs. Then open Battery Settings and check peak capacity. If it's low, the phone may cut power. Next, perform a force restart to clear transient faults and reproduce the problem. If it shuts down again, you'll have data to guide the next steps. Once done with basic checks, dive deeper. Review analytics and crash logs to identify kernel panics or app crashes. That tells you whether software or hardware is at fault. If logs point to software, reset all settings and, if needed, restore the device from a clean backup to remove corruption. If logs or battery health suggest hardware issues, schedule a battery replacement or inspect the internal connectors. Loose contacts can cause sudden shutdowns, so address the root cause, not just symptoms. To finish, you'll validate the fix by using the phone normally for a day or two and watching for repeat shutdowns. This confirms stability. If problems persist, collect logs and contact Apple support or an authorized repair shop because advanced diagnostics or board-level repair may be required. If you choose DIY, install a known good replacement battery and carefully clean connectors, then retest. If shutdowns continue despite a fresh battery, stop and seek professional repair to avoid further damage.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.